In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Uber ride history and receipts, whether you're budgeting, tracking expenses, or just curious about past journeys. Knowing how to access your ride history can be incredibly useful. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's start by visiting the Uber Eats website. You'll want to ensure you've completed an Uber ride or have existing orders because you'll need some history there to view any receipts. If you haven't taken a ride yet, this process won't be necessary, but make sure to have this step ready for future reference. Once you're on the Uber Eats homepage, look for the hamburger menu icon. This is typically represented by three horizontal lines and can be found in the top left or top right corner of your screen. Give it a click to open up more options. This menu serves as a hub for all the features and settings you might need, allowing you quick access to different sections of your account. Next, from within this menu, locate and click the Get a Ride option. This might seem a little counterintuitive, but it's an important step. It's designed to bridge the gap from the Uber Eats platform to your regular Uber ride services, ensuring that all transportation activities are interconnected under your account. As you continue, you will need to enter your pickup and destination locations. This is standard procedure whenever you're setting up a new trip, but in the context of accessing past information, it ensures that your travel data is actively listed and up to date. Even if you're only accessing old receipts, having current trip data ensures everything syncs properly. Now, look for the receipt section. Once you've had an existing trip, you should see all related details here. Clicking on the receipt option will display all the necessary travel information, including dates, times, and costs associated with each journey. This feature is particularly helpful for monitoring your spending or preparing for a reimbursement if you've used the ride for business purposes. Make sure to familiarize yourself with these steps so you can navigate back here whenever necessary. Being able to check your ride history easily not only keeps you informed, but also makes budgeting and expense tracking a breeze. Plus, you now have the power to revisit past journeys whenever you wish. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.